This is very special food to me because that's food that recipe that my wife prepared for me.
Véronique was able to go to a special laboratory to make a family dish, which was dehydrated and then sent up to space for me. This is the meal that I share with my friends on special occasions.
We worked with a Quebec company that makes dehydrated meals in order to dehydrate my infamous chili con caribou, which is our favorite dehydrated camping food that I make regularly and that I dehydrate myself.
Okay, the moment of truth. Perfectly rehydrated. Here, we don't worry about dishes. Cut the package with scissors. Texture is good. Smells great. Just like at home.